Hi guys, have mystery have this, but I already opened it. I will check what is this. Nothing. Oh no. Nothing. Okay. How did something? And have some tea. It's a mystery box. And take some this. And I'll get this. I will put this. I will check this. But
Dito ka na naman kalat sa mall dito sa bahay, no?
ooh, have this, guys. I'm gonna take your quotes. Know why? You put your quotes. Know why? Cause you need to put it. Take right now. And put this pen. Oh, so cute. So cutie. And this next. So one. Take remind. And but it's not smaller. So you got the bag. It's a whole TT one. Mommy. A whole TT. So you got a whole TT. Now open the whole TT box.
Separate. Ay, daddy.
And this. Oh, what the hat?
Wow, it's cute.
First time you put you like this.
Wow, what a pretty cup. Oh, give me the trash.
Gosh.
Oh.
No, you put your doll here. You put your doll.
Oh, give me, oh, here.
Ensure that there's not a
Give me, I will double check. Double check, Daddy. Put here, put here. I will double check.
Guys.
Okay.
I have this. One of this. This I will check. This.
See? You threw, oh. Oh. See, open. Open. Open, oh.
Oh, sorry.
What?
There's more, guys.
Oh, you didn't
See,
unbox
the-
it. You
the
want to
shoes.
throw it.
Oh,
There's
no.
a shoes.
So cute, guys.
Wow, what's the color?
Blue and pink.
Show to the
Yeah.
camera.
Look at this.
Oh, remove this one first.
How will you wish this?
Sige, finish. Oh, I will throw. I will take it, Okay, here.
And
Who likes surprise?
look at this. A bag.
Hello Kitty bag.
Nice.
And
You
I'll
like
put it
surprise,
here.
no?
Yeah. And the next one.
You throw the other.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. I will open for you.
Look at this. Wow. The next
Cute.
one. This ribbon, I will check what is this. Glasses. Hey, you put your like ribbon like this, and you and this here, and you put your doll here. You know why? And you
Yeah.
put your shoes like this. And
Oh, yeah, I see.
like this.
Ah, yeah, you need to put first.
Like shoes. Yeah.
No, this one is t-shirt.
Yeah, I know. Now let's put a hat like this. Ah,
Yeah, winter.
like you go, it's like going somewhere. Put this
Want that?
earrings. Put this earrings. This t-shirt is so cool. You guys, put your arms like you like.
Give me.
Like that. This. What is this?
This one Hello Kitty anniversary collection.
Yeah. What is to quick? I will hold it this to boy. I will hold it this to boy right now. Cycle this. Oh, dee 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 na 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 choo choo choo.
What else?
Only the pants.
And a pen.
other side.
Sweet. Yes. Yes. That's it.
If you want to tell me.
Ah.
Wow. Look at the doll, guys. It's so nice.
So cute. It's like
Up.
oh, so cute. Eating a bubble gum, see? Ooh, oh, so nice. Where should you put your shoes now?
Yeah.
Huh? Guys, I'm gonna shoot.
Give me, I will help you. So talaga.
I should eat. Then, oh wait. Hello. Hello. Thank you. Put you like this. It's like, see, put this in the box. See, you do it faster. Leave it.
Yeah. Okay. Other side.
Guys, look at this.
Wow.
I see, guys. Just like, I'll do this after. It's like, I need to like, I need to.
Lay down.
I'll do water, guys. Just good. How many collects here? But it's here. I'm bring it actually, because I need to wear this now. Guys, I want to know. Say, oh my god. I have a hot one. See? I want to.
Why you like that picture here?
Say. Eating a lollipop. Eating a steak. You will use this like in cup. Like this. Put it so shape have a heart shape. And this too have a heart shape.
This is not lollipop. It's bubble gum. They make balloons. See the...
A heart shape.
Put it. Not like that. Other side. You have to poke it inside. Something like this. Okay. Like that.
Oh.
Like bubble gum.
I need to move it first. And after work. And first put your glasses on. Baby. And the baby's so so cute. See? Oh, it's so cute.
Put the backpack also.
Wait.
Diba? I will
What
give you
is?
this.
Some a deep boy. No, I tell me.
That's cute, Ali. I like that book.
What was you like? Will you pass you like this? Like that? But you put it.
Yeah, that one.
So you bubble gum now. You put the snake up. And your backpack. I need help. It's almost finished. You cannot. And you put it like this here, and then you stand up like that. Then also in the sorry. But oh, it is so nice. Oh, it is so nice. Oh, look at this! It's a pin. Then you put it like here.
to this?
Daddy.
Wow, it's nice.
Guys. Oh my
Go
god.
down.
So this, then. Look at this.
Post natin yan. Yeah, nice. Wow.
And you put your cover here. No, but right now. Because it's so And this you will come back here.
You can let be balanced.
Oh.
You can let the little doll sleep there.
Yeah. You can put all your toys inside.
Yeah, because it's all before.
Oh.
No, enough na.
Oh, say bye-bye to your
Bye. Chicken.